Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Before I start this video, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, into this video it is a new out from Louis Vuitton, and actually when I went there I get something from Vivian collection this year. And when I got home, I look around, always scrolling online, browsing online. So, and I found this one, and actually I get the Vivian one, the other item that I order with. I ending up return it, and instead I exchange for this one. I don't know. This is a really big shopping bag, and then actually the items is not that big, to be honest with you. And I got my new CA now. She's very nice, and yeah, and she gave me a sample perfume sample over here. Actually I do have this perfume, and this is what I like, and there it is. I was surprised she said to run out of boxes and this shopping bag, so that's why they give me the big one. And to be honest with you guys, I do like a new box of a Louis Vuitton. It's been a while I didn't shop anything like this. Mostly I buy like a small leather goods, and it's not magnetic anymore. It's more has this, and it does this Louis Vuitton logo. It's not, I don't forget what's the name of that one. So anyhow, I do love their new packaging. It's not magnetic. What do you think, you guys? You prefer the magnetic one or this one over here? For me, I don't know, I like both, but this one it's kind of cute. So let's go show you what I really got. See how big box it is. Oh my god. So it's really big, and the items is not that big. So like I mentioned, and this is the new account, and so yeah, I share this, and I'm comparing actually because this one is not really it's not a lot of the difference, the one that I get from Vivian collection. So I ending up exchanging it. So enough talking, and I'm gonna show you guys. This is Charanda Tag Me pouch, and it comes with this strap over here. And at first when I saw it in the store, I said, no, I don't want to get it. And then I said, you know what, I'll think about it. I'll come back, I'll think about twice. It's actually take me like a week. And since I'm wanting a cosmetic pouch, I said, you know what, maybe this is a good one, because you can use is a crossbody bag. I did try with a strap in it. Guys, that strap is perfect with this one. And I do have a strap from LV, but I'm not sure it wanna goes with this one. But the other one that I did try, that she gave me, the other strap, the thicker one, man, it's perfect with this one. So it's kinda the other a removable strap as well, which is really good. So you can remove that, and also like a shoulder bag. And this tag over here is you can remove as well. You can remove that, and you can also put your initial in it. I already asked about that, and she said yeah. And the one that they have sample on the floor, they have this LV one, which is really cute. She said that you can add that as well. And yeah, you can add another charms over here. I do have a Labubu. Let's see, what's my Labubu? Oh, it's not in here. I don't have my Labubu. I think I set aside. And this one is made in, let's see, I always ask now that what it's made. This is made in Paris, and the inside is it's like it's not fabric. It's more like a, what do you call that one? Material. Let me see, guys. So okay, this one is called Tag Me Pouch Monogram. She actually attached that one too, which is really nice. And so yeah, it's not a, it's more like a plastic to me, but it's really nice. So it's easy to clean as well. So you can put up a lot of stuff, and actually you can put a lot of stuff in this one. And to be honest with you guys, because I was traveling in Europe and I visited my friend in England, and then we go travel to, you know, like a small hand carry only items, a bag. And you know, Europe is really strict when you hand carry only. It's just only one bag. And then even though you can use a small bag, but only small bag, not a bigger bag, guys, because or else you have to pay for it. I did ending up paying for mine because I was traveling and then I buying a lot of stuff, so I ending up getting another luggage. So anyway, I just, oh, there you go, made in France. So just nice. This is a made in France, a monogram. I probably go back in there and then ask for, you know, put my initial over here or one in the back or something. And like I said, I'm gonna do, this is what it looks like, guys. I'm gonna standing up. So this is gonna be look like, it's actually, it's really cute. I did put my phone, my card holder. You know, I don't bring big wallets, and this one, it's actually, it's really good. It's quite slouchy right now because it's empty. Let me put this pouch over here, this stuff, so it's, see what it looks like. I just need to fill it up to put a weight in it. So there you go. And I would wish they put this one on the side. That's the only thing that I don't like, is that I don't know why they put that one. You should put this one on the side. You know that you can attach, you put the D-ring over here, just like the other one. But I don't know why. Maybe they think it's kind of unique. And I was trying to make like a, you know, like a backpack, but I know, not really backpack, but a crossbody bag. It's not fit. If you have another like a strap from other Louis Vuitton bag, then it will be good. But like I said, guys, I did try with the other strap, the thicker one that they had. It is perfect together. And so yeah, and that's what the bottom is. I don't see that. I thought that was like, you know, like a cosmetic pouch, but I guess it's not. They have lining over here, so you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 print over here. Actually, it's really good price as well for this. And then that's why I said, you know what, let me get this one, because maybe later on next year it's gonna be increased. So yeah, and also this one over here. And so that's the only reason that really I don't like, is this one. Why they put this one over here? They should put this one along with the D-ring over here. But I guess to make them, you know, unique. Let's put it this way, unique. And I love this one over here. And actually for me, it's, somebody says that it's not worth it, but if you buy like a GM cosmetics pouch and this one, it's gonna be like almost the same price, to be honest with you. And this one, it comes with us already, you don't have to worry about. So yeah, good price. And for me, I get this one because if I, in case that I'm gonna travel again, I just want to bring this one. It looks like a small bag. I can wear as well like a belt bag for this one. I do have like a belt that I can attach with this one. So I'm trying to make like a what fits of this bag, and also it's like how I style with this. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for my Louis Vuitton unboxing today. And also I just want to share you guys what it looks like with this one. And when I saw this one online, I didn't see anyone doing unboxing with this one, because I want to see actually what it looks like and how it fits. But it's okay, now I got it. Now I see what it looks like, and yeah, I own it. She's just gonna add on my collection. Okay, anyway, that's enough. I explained enough already. So thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.